Shift focus on the banking pack, and we've got Alok Mishra, who's chairman of the Indian Banks Association and also chairman and managing director of Bank of India, joining us now on the show. Mr. Mishra, to begin with, given that banks are operating in an environment where rates are high and asset quality is a major concern, how challenging would you say this whole, the scenario is for the banking system?
You see, the RBI, the most important for them is to rein in inflation. Inflation has been very high, and if inflation is high, it hurts the common man. So the first and foremost important is that the inflation must come down, and it has had the impact because we have had a better, now we'll start seeing growth. A lot of changes are happening, and I think the mist that we have been seeing is slowly getting over. The monsoons have improved. We have seen that the GDP numbers were slightly better. The inflation has started coming down in with, if the monsoons are good, probably we'll see food inflation coming down. And if that be so, I think we are well poised to go for a higher growth rate. And that is what, at this point of time, the country needs. If I can summarize in one word, it is growth. And if we have growth, much of the things will be over behind us.
Mr. Mishra, could you point out a few sectors that would be major growth drivers for banks this year and those that will be points of stress?
You see, at this point of time, what will do well is that we must devote on SME. They are the largest employers and they are also the largest sufferers. If the economy does not do well, it is the SME which gets the biggest brunt, and they get the job, they lose their jobs foremost. Second thing is agriculture. If we are able to take care of SME, agriculture, then going forward, I think we shall be much happier, and the mid corporates.
Mr. Mishra, what is the situation with Bank of India as far as corporate credit demand is concerned? Would you concentrate on growing your corporate book, or would you focus more on the retail portfolio?
Growth since April to now has been fairly good, better than the system. On a year-to-year basis also it has been good. But we are focusing, as I said, on agriculture, retail, SME. And I think if we are able to concentrate well on that, 4,100 branches that we have, I think they'll be doing their job much better.
Can you give us a sense of your net interest margins? What kind of pressure are you facing given the high interest rate environment that we're working with, as well as the compulsion to bring down the rates on account of competitive pressures?
No, I think the NIMs will improve because we have been seeing stable NIMs, but I think there is scope for taking it further. We have been concentrating on CASA growth, and we have done some reasonably well there. We are concentrating on, as I said, retail, SME, which will give us better yields. And we are also concentrating on the asset quality, which will ensure that the NIMs will be better.
And lastly, Mr. Mishra, give us a sense of your credit and deposit growth so far. What are the sort of targets that you're looking at, and would you be looking at tinkering with any of either your lending or your deposit rates?
About 14 to 15% of deposit, about 15 to 16% of credit, in line with what the RBI has been saying, is what we are targeting. But should the spurt come in growth, obviously we are there to take benefit of that.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Thanks very much, Mr. Mishra, for joining in and giving us a view on the overall banking sector.